Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're kicking off our 10-day road trip from Davao City all the way to Siargao.
Bacon breakfast?
We had an early start around 6 a.m. We were on the road bright and early and the weather was perfect. After 3 hours of driving, we reached Trento Poblacion. We stopped to stretch our legs and take in the stunning views of the rice fields. Honestly, this is why we love road trips, beautiful surprises like this along the way.
Hello! Hiya! Malcolm has been driving for more than 5 hours now, so it's my turn to drive. Maybe a couple of hours or something.
Fast forward another 4 hours and we made our next stop at Kitsharo, Kanawai, roughly 7 hours into the drive.
Hi, buntag! Morning! Lunch break!
Lunch break on the road. 2 hours from Surigao. And when we pulled over, got the things ready for lunch, and it just started to rain. But anyway, it's nice to enjoy the lunch while they're raining outside.
After lunch, we continued to Surigao port to secure our ferry tickets. So we've just been to the port. Luckily, we've managed to get a booking for the 2 a.m. ferry. Yep, it's that early. It's not ideal, but we were just happy to be sorted for the next day. We booked our ticket with Montenegro. Right now, they don't offer online booking, especially for vehicles, so you have to do it in person, usually a day before your trip. From the port, we drove to Hotel Tavernsurigao to stay for a night. It's right by the water and really convenient if you're catching the ferry. Here is a quick room tour.
Two single beds.
Afternoon rest after the 8.5 hour drive.
Yeah. We would have loved the sea view, but we booked this room because we wanted to rest here before going to Siargao, so to just cut the journey and not going there straight. The original plan was to go to Siargao via ferry early morning, but unfortunately you can't really book it in advance, so we went to the port this afternoon to ask about the timings for the ferry, and we get the 2 a.m. Trip, so we're checking out here early, or let's say midnight.
We've been told that there's a night market just behind the hotel, so we're going down to check it out. The food was good. For one burger, one spaghetti, one lemonade and one cappuccino, we paid 850 pesos. We started getting ready at 10:30 p.m. and we reached Surigao port just before midnight. With our 2 a.m. ferry departure, we needed to be there 2 hours prior as it takes time to load the vehicles.
We're one of the first ones here. Apart from those truck there. That's the waiting area for the passengers, no? They have some shop there too. We can have some coffee or tea. Our trip is at 2 a.m. It's now 12:40. The guy said we might leave earlier than scheduled.
The overnight ferry journey lasted around 4 hours. Despite the early hour, there's something magical about arriving in a new place at sunrise. We officially disembark around 5:26 a.m. and we are super excited to explore Siargao.
Okay, it's morning everyone. So we've arrived in Siargao. We're just driving to General Luna now. It's gonna take us 33 minutes to get there. I think so. I mean, it's morning now. On the hunt for a croissant and coffee. You have to leave your slippers.